A chemical reaction is supposed to come to a completion. That is, if the reactants are being used up for the product to be formed. However, some chemical reactions never come to a completion. This is because it comes to a point in time that while the products are being formed, these products are reacting to form back the reactants that have started the reaction. And the rate is reached such that the rate at which the products are being formed is the same as the rate at which the reactants are being formed back. And when that is attained, we call it an equilibrium reaction, or we say the system is at equilibrium. The reaction has attained an equilibrium. A chemical equilibrium, therefore, represents a balance between forward and reverse reactions. This balance is very delicate, and a little change in any experimental condition may disturb the balance and shift the equilibrium so that more or less of the desired or the undesired product is formed. Therefore, if the production involves a chemical equilibrium, scientists or producers try as much as possible to either increase or reduce a particular external factor in order to either increase a production or producing a particular product which is favorable or needed, or inhibit the production of, or prevent the production, or in fact reduce the production of a particular product which is not desired. Now, with this, we talk about a particular scientist that we call Le Chatelier. He has a principle that we call Le Chatelier principle. He said, if an external stress is applied to a system at equilibrium, the system adjusts in such a way that the effects of the stress is cancelled or reduced. Now, let's take a look at how Le Chatelier's principle works. Now, we are going to talk about the stress that Le Chatelier is talking about. The stress are also called the factors that affect the system at equilibrium. One of the factors is the concentration of the reactant or the product. Another factor is the temperature of the system. We also talk about the volume of the system, and volume also goes with the pressure, because volume and pressure have something in common.